Yo, is that the new Winterfest trailer?
Yeah, it just came out.
I've watched that like 6 or 7 times already. It's so good.
When the world needed films the most.
Control, this is Agent Parkey. I'm in position.
Winterfest arrived.
No way.
I know, right? It's actually peak.
From the twisted minds of AMCHS AVP and CSHS AVP comes Winterfest.
Whoa, is this the Winterfest trailer?
Yeah.
What kind of films are in it?
Action, comedy, music, and romance.
Yo, is that Winterfest?
Yeah.
When is it?
On December 12th,
Yo, is that Winterfest?
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
It's free.
see the best of the best from both high schools. Find your seat for music videos, short films, and more. With so much to offer, there's only one thing left to ask.
It's over.
It's Corbin time.
Where will you be on December 12th? Winterfest.
Winterfest, December 12th. It's free.